The NX8M high voltage range was developed to meet a growing market demand for compact low power functions on vehicles equipped with high voltage batteries. It brings the proven NX8M family benefits to higher power platforms without using a DC-DC converter. It is simpler, faster and more cost-effective. Key specs to remember: battery voltage up to 800 volt DC, power up to 100 kW peak, continuous up to 25 kW, and speeds up to 8000 RPM. With optional cold plates for cooling and robust resolver feedback, the new high voltage adds 3 active part lengths to the family and multiple windings for efficiency optimization. We kept all the low voltage NX8M strengths: easy mounting, cabling, connection, hose and fittings availability, and don't forget the oil immersion capability. With SAE A, SAE B or ISO 3019/2 for direct pump mounting, there's no easier way to assemble a pump. Parker also offers a wet spline coupling option to permanently lubricate shaft splines for a maintenance-free system. In addition, the NX8M high voltage benefits from the latest safety technologies with the high voltage interlock loop HVAL function. The NX8M is ideal for refuse trucks, airport ground vehicles, truck cranes, auxiliary electrohydraulic pumps (EHP), and small electric traction applications. An EHP based on an NX8M will provide mechanical energy through a hydraulic cylinder. We can even go further by controlling a movement with an electric actuator. Moreover, for these types of application, we can offer kit motors for greater compactness, less maintenance and maximum efficiency, reducing the total cost of ownership. Please contact your Parker representative. We use a unique software tool called Motorcycle to determine the perfect motor for your application. By entering your duty cycle data, we can optimize the motor choice and provide the corresponding efficiency information. Our engineers will support with inverter matching, cooling integration and winding selection to suit your specific duty profile. I almost forgot, we can also include either flow and pressure for hydraulic calculation that include global efficiency, or torque and speed data for mechanical calculation.